Oh my god, your mother has done so much damage. She doesn't even know. Big fucking hole. Right.
Darling. What on you got?
All the change in the world now. Happy place.
And even as Gandalf came to the end of Lost Eden.
We are in, where are we? Port Lincoln.
When I was growing up, we used to call these clappers
Yeah.
because they make a clapping sound. And like, I actually genuinely didn't learn the word tongues until I was about 20.
What?
It was when I was dating you.
What?
And you were like, you use the tongues out of
What the fuck are you?
What are you talking about?
What?
I had to go get them and I was like, oh,
Get the clappers. So we got the lamb from like a caravan on the side of the road in Robe, which I forgot to fucking film because we'd just been broken into at home. So I was having a bit of a panic. But we got some lamb neck. Lamb shoulder chops, which they called barbecue chops.
yes, it is common Australian cuisine.
And they're fucking delicious. We're already eating a few of them that night in Road, and then we're eating the rest of it now on skewers. We're going to make little flatbread thingamajiggies.
Enjoy your time in Port Lincoln.
Thanks so much. Just like wondering, folks, this is right next to a campground. Is that a grave? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
Anyone who doesn't chew the oyster is a fucking maniac. Okay, fuck off.
Yeah, it's real good. Sweet as.
Yeah.
So then, are people going to destine to sunshine?
Are they gonna destine to sunshine? That's delicious. It's fucking good.
It's got nice tannins though.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice structure.
Yeah. Wow. It's really good. I mean, I don't want to add salt to it, so that's incredible. So the sauce is nice and fresh.
The chicken is fresh, and I'm like, yeah, no shit.
Nice. It's good plenty. Yeah, it's fucking perfect. Nice work, otherness. Nice work. It's been a nice meal. Otherness, Barossa Valley. Do it. Thank you. Anyway, eat cheese. Eat cheese and be merry.
It's a really nice hard creamy cheese.
Thanks, don't you? Chocolate salt caramel tart. And also Portuguese tart. Thanks so much. That's fucking awesome. It's like diabetes first thing in the morning, but it's delicious. Wow. Portuguese egg tart. Yeah, it's good. It's still warm. Yeah, just ever so slightly. It's really, really cool. Alright, continue with our heart attack adventure. Yeah, it's like milk on tap. It's literally milk on tap. Actually, that does sound pretty good. Gotta say. Pizza for breakfast. Very happy about being given a legitimate excuse to eat pizza for breakfast. So excited about this shit. In Australia, we just put an egg on fucking anything. Promised land. Thank you. Yes! I don't even know how to eat this. Absolutely failed at that. I'm like slightly afraid of this thing. Like, I haven't got many shirts left.
It's more about your beard. I was going to get stuck in it. Oh my god.
I'm very happy right now. Fuck yeah. Wow. This is honestly one of the best things I've had in a while. How you going?
We got chestnut and snowflake mushrooms.
What is this? Midwest shop? There we go. Biltong. You want a bun burner? Let's get a bun burner. Does it live up to its name?
Yes, it does.
Fantastic. Yeah, we'll get the little one.
Three-way bum burner.
Do you want one?
No, I'll just have a bite of yours.
Oh, really now?
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, big one, good. More Coffin Bay oysters?
I was going to try and eat my body weight in oysters on this trip. Didn't believe me.
Getting there. Nothing like oysters for breakfast.
You can eat oysters at any time of the day, darling. You gotta get your head out. You look good.
Fucking good, eh?
Yeah.
Fly bar in the middle.
Yeah.
This is the stall I've been looking for the entire time. So fucking good. Fuck yeah. Wanna come? It's pretty hot out. Adelaide. It's a bit fucking pretty.
Listen up, you bitches. I just found the best fucking things in sliced white bread and Mel's tiny sandwiches. It's a wine centre in Adelaide and it's the fucking vending machine of all things wine and gloriousness. Check this shit out. 120 wines that you can taste.
What do you get if you manage to drink all of them? Do you want a prize? you want a hangover?
Stop fucking around and get away.
Good. You can get 3 different sizes. You can get a tiny little taster. This is a medium-sized taster. You can get a full-size glass. They're very impressive for $4.70 to $16.30.
And then you pay at the end.
Pay at the end. It's dangerous. Very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
So unfortunately, you guys now have these fucking things. Fuck off. And they've only arrived, what, in the last couple of years, those things?
Yeah.